Check it out. This thing breaks down into all the stuff you need to survive. And it comes in this. All these pieces come apart. You got the hatchet head, handle, saw, and knife blade there. It's pretty cool. Another piece of handle, compass that goes in the butt of it, ferro rod for fire starting, whistle, and this is the last little piece with a window breaker. It all goes together to make one awesome hatchet. It even comes with a little grip tape, so you can put it on there for a little better grip. Every one of these joints is also screwed together with a silicone seal, so it's waterproof, and there's still plenty of room in there after the knife and the ferro rod to add a whole bunch of survival gear. You could have fishing line, hooks, some money in there, all kinds of stuff, and I haven't had a single problem with it coming unscrewed while playing with it. It always stayed screwed together the whole time I've been using it. And if you end up leaving it put together and you keep it on your belt all the time, you still got this molly bag it came with clips to go to your backpack and plenty of room for other kit. Let's go play with it. Boom.
Whether you're camping, clearing brush, or stacking a few cords to fuel your wood stove for the long winter ahead, you need an axe that performs. Our new X Series axes chop 3 times deeper, deliver more one-strike splits, and outlast other axes. How? An improved design gives you more power at impact, a better blade, and a build so tough you couldn't break it if you tried. It's the right tool to help you get more done with less effort in less time. More power at impact is all about swing speed. So let's dispel a common myth. An axe doesn't have to be heavy to be effective. And our lighter axes get results that prove it. Just like a lighter aluminum baseball bat swings faster than a heavy wood bat, our perfectly balanced axes increase your swing speed and give you more power at impact. There's no need to complicate it. If you hit the wood harder, you'll chop deeper and split better. It's common sense that a sharper blade will give you better contact and cleaner cuts. We took hardened forged steel blades and honed them to a sharper edge than other axes, then added a low friction coating to help glide through wood and prevent the axe head from getting stuck. We went even further with our splitting axes by changing the shape of the blade to blast apart logs for clean one-strike splits. Simply put, our blades are designed to help you get the most out of every swing. It's not a X-Series axes. They chop 3 times deeper, they deliver more one-strike splits, and they outlast other axes. A wide range of sizes from a compact hatchet to our much requested 36-inch splitting axe makes it easy to find just the right axe. Get more work done with fewer swings. Get extreme performance.